It may not look like much, but potato starch is a key ingredient used behind the scenes in food manufacturing. From fluffy gluten-free cakes to glossy stir-fry sauces, potato starch helps define how food feels, tastes, and performs, both on the production line and the plate. When heated with water, these tiny granules swell and create a gel-like network that gives food their desired consistency. Unlike other starches, potato starch remains clear when cooked, has good binding properties, and delivers good stability even under extreme processing conditions. Let's look at texture. Potato starch has a unique ability to retain moisture and create that soft, tender crumb that is seen in baked goods. In soups and sauces, it thickens fast and delivers a smooth and glossy finish. No cloudiness and no overpowering flavor. Its neutral taste and clean appearance make it suitable for recipes with delicate flavor profiles. Food formulators also like potato starch for its clean label appeal, versatility, and functional properties. It's a staple in gluten-free, vegan, and allergen-conscious recipes, and an easy way to elevate quality without complicating your ingredient list. But potato starch isn't just about taste. It holds up well in high-moisture environments and delivers a consistent experience batch after batch. However, there are limitations. Under acidic conditions or repeated freeze-thaw cycles, its performance can drop. That's why knowing where and how to use it is key. So the next time you're fine-tuning a recipe or scaling production, remember, sometimes it's the simplest ingredients that make the biggest impact. Connect with our team today. Let's explore how this versatile ingredient can elevate your products and give you a new advantage.